Hello, today we're going to finish and or improve your career matchmaker results. If you haven't completed this assessment at all, we will start from the beginning. The majority of you will have answered the first 39 questions, and we're going to use this time to complete the additional matchmaker questions as well as the My Skills. First, you're going to click on Assessments. Once you are in here, if you haven't done this yet, you're going to click the Start Matchmaker. If you've already started this, you're going to click on this top one. It should say Fall 2016. Once you're in here, this is going to be your initial results for the Career Matchmaker. If you scroll down, the two areas that we are going to want to focus on are the top one, where it's answer more questions, and this will help improve your results. And then the second part is this My Skills. This will help you really narrow down and get a little more specific into the different types of careers that may be of interest to you. This will look at how your skills match with careers. So if your skills differ greatly from a potential career, that may be a bad match. And as you go through the process, you'll see why this is or isn't a good match. If you've already completed this, we're going to have an additional opportunity for you guys to work on this as well. One of the things we'd like you to do is to explore your matchmaker results. You can learn why a career was suggested for you. So when you're on this results page, if you click on, for example, occupational therapist, we can learn more about this career. And this will list based on what you responded, why this is included. You can look at recommended career clusters to see if there's other jobs similar to this, as well as you can look at two different interviews for people in this specific career. So if we look at Melissa, an occupational therapy assistant, we can listen to the different things that Career Cruising provides in terms of questions and answers, a day in the life, a breakdown of activities. You can also look at earnings, so how much potentially an occupational therapist assistant would make, as well as the educational requirements. If this is something that you're really interested, you can simply click Save to My Plan, and this will automatically add to your plan. Good luck and have fun.